Today we are discussing about the intermediate maths 1A. In the 1A exercise 6C third bit we are discussing today. Okay. In the third bit, third one, find the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 plus tan 40. Let's consider solution. Let's consider 20 plus 40 is equals to 60. Taking on both sides tan ratio. Why I am taking here 20 plus 40 equals to 60 means in our solution 20 plus 40. So in this 20 plus 40 is there. That's why I am taking here 20 plus 40. 20 plus 40 equals to 60. Taking on both sides tan ratio. Tan of 20 plus 40 is equals to tan 60. Tan 20 plus 40. Tan 20 plus 40 nothing but tan A plus B. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 60 equals to root 3. Tan 60 equals to root 3. These two are we are using here. So in place of A 20, in place of B 40. Tan 20 plus tan 40 by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. Tan 20 plus tan 40 by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. Tan 60 nothing but root 3. So, okay, as well we are right, same steps, tan 20 plus tan 40, it is the denominator, here division, we can take right side, it will be the multiplication. Tan 20 plus tan 40 is equals to root 3, 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. Like these steps, tan 20, tan 20, tan 40 is tan 40, root 3 is, and root 3 into 1 nothing but root 3 into this term. Root 3 minus root 3 tan 20 tan 40. So here minus root 3 tan 20 tan 40 we can take left side. Tan 20 tan 40 as well right. This is the minus, we can take right side, it is the plus root 3 tan 20 into tan 40. In the right side we have root 3. So the answer is here root 3. This is the question number 3. Similarly, question number 4, find the value of tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees into tan 11 degrees. Here hint is consider 56 degrees minus 11 degrees is equals to 45. Consider 56 minus 11 degrees equals to 45 degrees. Like this hint, you can follow these steps, you can get the answer for this question. Next, so question number 5, evaluate summation sin A plus B into sin A minus B divided by cos square A into cos square B if none of cos A comma cos B comma cos C is 0. If none of cos A comma cos B comma cos C is 0. We know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equals to cos square A minus cos square B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B equals to cos square A minus cos square B. Let me have to write our solution is equal to summation sin A plus B into sin A minus B cos square A into cos square B in the denominator. So this is from the above step we have to write in this form, in this place, cos square A minus cos square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. So I am here minus is there now, nothing but this is the two terms, cos square A is one term, cos square B is another term. So that's why I can write here summation of cos square A divided by cos square A into cos square B minus cos square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. Here cos square A in the numerator, cos square A in the denominator. These two terms are cancelled. From the second term, cos square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. So this cos square B will be there, cancel. The answer is 1 remaining is nothing but here cos square B, summation of 1 cos square b minus here 1 by cos square a. 1 cos square b minus 1 by cos square a. I will take the minus common. Minus I will take the common 1 by this from this 1 by cos square a minus 1 by cos square b. So as well minus I am writing here 1 by cos square a. 1 by cos nothing but secant. 1 by here cos b nothing but secant square b. So minus of summation secant square a minus secant square b. We know that summation nothing but expansion. Largest term we can write in the small term as usually use the summation. So this is the largest term that we have to compress like this. Summation of secant square a minus secant square b. If we have to do expansion, secant square a minus secant square b plus secant square b minus secant square c. Next term plus secant square c minus secant square a. You can observe here secant square a. It is a positive. In the last here minus secant square a. These two terms are cancelled. These two terms also cancel. These two terms also cancel. Minus of this total will be 0. Minus of 0 equals to 0. It is the answer for this question. Okay, clear? Next, sixth question. Evaluate summation of sin c minus a divided by sin c into sin a. If none of sin a comma sin b comma sin c is 0. If none of sin a comma sin b comma sin c is 0. Here I give the int for you. Sin c minus a is equals to the formula sin c sin c here cos a minus cos c sin a. Sin c cos a minus cos c sin a. You can follow this hint. You can find out like these steps to get the answer. Thank you. Sorry, 155 degrees equals to 0. Prove that cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees cos 155 degrees is equals to 0. We have to prove this. Solution. Cos, I can this expression I can write like this. First I am writing cos 85 degrees, then after writing cos 155 degrees, then after writing cos 35 degrees. So these two terms I can use from this formula. Cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d formula is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So here this is the c, this is the d. So as well write cos 85 plus 2 cos 35 degrees plus 155 degrees divided by 2. This is nothing but c plus d term. Cos 155 degrees minus 35 degrees divided by 2. This is nothing but cos c minus cos d by 2 term. Okay, cos 85 degrees as well as I am cos 85 degrees. 2 cos 35 plus 155 is equals to 190. 35 degrees plus 155 degrees equals to 190 divided by 2 as well. Next 155 minus 35, nothing but 120 degrees. 120 degrees by 2. So I can cancel here in the 2 table. 2 1s are 2 95s are 2 1s are 2 60s are. Cos 85 degrees plus 2 cos 95 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Cos 85 degrees 2 cos 95 I can write here 185 minus 85 degrees. 180 minus theta nothing but in the third quadrant. Third quadrant cot 180 minus theta is equals to minus cot theta. Third quadrant cos 180 minus theta will be the answer is minus cos theta. In the ratio 180 will not be changed. 180 360 ratios are not changed, but their signs are changed here. Cos 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So similarly I am writing here 95 cos of 180 minus 85 degrees. Cos 60 nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 here. These two are cancelled. Cos 85 plus cos 180 minus theta from this cos minus cos 85 minus of cos 85. Cos 85 degrees plus into minus minus cos 85 degrees. This cos 85 both are cancelled. We get the answer 0. Therefore we prove that cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos 155 degrees is equals to 0. This is our solution. The fourth bit, first one. We have to prove this. Can we solve the second question? Okay. Prove that tan 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Prove that tan 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Let us consider is equals to cot A minus tan A. I consider here cot A minus tan A. This term I consider here. We know that cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, in place of cot A I am writing here 1 by tan A. In place of cot A I am writing here 1 by tan A minus tan A. I take the LCM 1 minus tan square A. 1 by tan A minus tan A LCM tan A into tan A 1 minus tan square A divided by tan A. Multiply and dividing with the 2. So see here, this totally we are multiplying with the 2. 2 into 1 minus tan square A. 2 into 1 minus tan square A. 2 into tan A. So this above term I can write 2 into of the 1 minus tan square A divided by 2 tan A. 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A. We know that tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So this solvation see here tan 2 theta I can write 1 by tan 2 theta. This will be the reciprocaling like this 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. We know that cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, cot 2 theta equals to 1 by tan 2 theta. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Cot 2 theta equals to 1 by tan 2 theta. So, this term 2 into 1 by tan 2a, 1 by tan 2a from this 2 cot 2a, 2 cot 2a. Clear? So, now from the next step means cot our solution. Okay, cot A minus tan A. Cot A minus tan A is equals to we are getting here 2 cot 2a. Cot A minus tan A is equals to 2 cot 2a. Put A equals to 18. Put A equals to 18 degrees. Here A equals to 18 degrees. Cot 18 degrees. Here minus. We can take right side. It will be the plus. Cot 18 degrees is equals to tan 18 degrees plus 2 cot 2 into 18 degrees. 2 18s are 36 degrees. 18 degrees I can write in cot 90 minus 72 degrees. 18 I can write in the 19 minus 72. Cot 19 minus 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 as well write I am 2 into cot 2 18s are 36. So cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Here signs are not changed. Why signs are not changed means cot 90 minus theta is the first quadrant. First quadrant everything will be positive. So cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. So it is cot 90 minus 72 is nothing but tan 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 degrees plus 2 as it is cot 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. 36 I am writing, 90 minus 54. So it is also called 90 minus theta. Okay, see here, tan 72 degrees from this here is equals as value, tan 18 degrees as value, plus 2. Okay, tan cot of 90 minus theta, nothing but tan theta, tan 54 degrees. So finally we are getting tan 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees.